guys, welcome back to Country Views. Sorry it's been so long posting videos. There's just been a lot going on, but I'm back today with a really great recipe. I am making my version of the spicy honey chicken sandwiches. Yes, I'm gonna go there, guys. So here we go. Right here I have some boneless, skinless thighs that I just battered up with flour and garlic pepper, garlic, onion pepper, salt, and pepper. And once those are done, then I will show you how I'm going to make the sauce and prepare it. All right, guys, so I want to say something about the chicken while you're frying it up. You want to get it to where it's about golden brown, and then you want to take it out. It's going to look like this, okay? And you're going to come over here, and you're going to put it on a rack while you take your other ones out. Now, once you've done that, you're going to start over with your very first piece of chicken and put it back in the oil at a little bit higher heat. Right now I have my stove on 6. I will take it to a 7. And that will get your chicken perfectly done in the middle and perfectly crispy. Alright, so I've taken them out of my pan. Now I'm going to start back over with my very first piece of chicken like I was telling you guys. Sorry, I'm kind of tongue twisted today. And while I'm doing that, I just want to say thank you for revisiting me. All our viewers, friends, families, Country View, juniors, keep up the great cooking effort. You are amazing. And on that note, be sure to like and subscribe for our newcomers. And I'm going to go over here to my chicken and show you how I'm going to do the double fry. Okay, so I am starting over with my piece of chicken here. This is my very first one that I started frying. All right, you're just gonna grab it and come over here to your frying pan and put it in. And you're gonna continue to do this until they're a little bit darker golden brown, and then you will be ready for your sauce. So I'm going to finish this up and then I will be back to make the sauce. All right, so this is what you want your chicken to look like after you are done double frying. Let me show you how juicy this chicken looks, guys. It's so good. Now, if you're not big on boneless chicken thighs, because that's what this is, you can totally use chicken breast. Just make sure it's boneless, skinless. So let's move on to the sauce and then we will have a taste test after that. All right, guys, so now let's make our sauce since the chicken is done. What we're gonna start with basically is this really awesome wing sauce that I picked up at Walmart, you know, down like the barbecue aisle. It's down on the shelf down below the barbecue. I don't know how your Walmarts are, but that's how ours is. All right, so you're going to get that sauce. You're going to basically add it in a pan with honey. And then you're going to heat your chicken through even more with the hot sauce. And then you start layering up on your bun. So let's start making it. All right, so I have my pan heating up, okay? So preheat your pan before you add any sauces into your pan, okay? You can use the same pan that you fried your chicken in. Just make sure you drain the grease, okay? So that's heating up. This is what the sauce looks like. It's Berman's Asian Kick Wing Sauce. I'm telling you, it's the best. You will love it. You're gonna add a whole bottle of that for either 6 to 8 chicken breast or 6 to 8 chicken thighs. You might have a little sauce left over, but you definitely want to make sure you have leftover sauce, because who don't like extra sauce, right? All right, so I'm getting this opened up here. All right, so here we go. We're gonna dump this in here. and it's thick. It's going to come out thick. Now what I like to do is I like to put my lid on it like this, turn the heat down, and then I like to add water into the bottle to get that last little bit of sauce. Okay, just a little bit, you don't want a lot. Put your lid on, shake it up pretty good. You're gonna go shake, 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 shake. All right, so now we're gonna add this right in. Let me get this lid open here. All right, back in the frying pan with the rest of your sauce, okay? Set that to the side. Keep watching that for me, guys. I'm gonna grab my whisk right here. All right, so you're gonna whisk your water mixture together with this, okay? Now, you're gonna get your honey bear or whatever kind of honey you like, and you're gonna do some squeezes. You're gonna go, let me get this open. Let me get it started here. And it's gonna come out thick. You want quite a bit of honey because this is the sweet and spicy honey chicken. Okay? Get quite a bit in there. You're gonna use probably half of your honey bear. Let's see where we're at with this. Not even half. Let's take the lid off and just dump some in because it doesn't want to squeeze in. There we go. Now it's coming, guys. All right, so put your lid back on your honey bear and whisk that honey in with your sauce, and make sure you whisk it real good. All right. So now that you got all that in there, you want to put your lid on, and you're going to bring it up to a boil. So put it up to high, bring it to boil, and then I will show you what's next once it starts boiling. Right, so now that it's come to a boil, you're going to take your lid off, okay? Reduce your heat to in between medium and high, and give this a good stir. See how it's starting to thicken back up, because it was thick to begin with, but we thinned it with a little water. All right, look how bubbly that is, guys. Now, the next step, you're gonna drop your chicken right in. Drop it in. Drop that chicken in. I'm gonna finish dropping the chicken in. I'll be right back. So are you guys ready for the reveal? Dun, 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 dun. Doesn't that look delicious, guys? Now, what I do while it's cooking in here, I just go through and I occasionally flip my chicken so you get both sides fully coated. All right. And, you know, once you feel like they've been fully coated, then you'll be ready to plate yourself. I think these are good enough. Now, we just use regular hamburger buns, a piece of white American cheese. Then, now, what you do next is you grab you a piece of this chicken right here, which I'm actually gonna go for this one, probably. All right, piece of chicken here. This one goes with it. You guys getting where I'm going with this? Now you got all this extra bubbly sauce. You gonna take some? Oh yeah, look at that, guys. Look at that. All right, so now we got some pickles here. Let me get it opened up. You guys just focus on that yummy deliciousness over there. Not my dishes. I haven't got to do them Alright, so you just put a few little pickles on, or how many you like. Look at that. Just like that, guys. Slap your bun on. And you have a spicy honey chicken sandwich. Let's go in for a bite. So, like I just said, we're going in for a bite. And I cut it in half just because it's messy. And chicken starts falling out. Let me get my chicken back on my bun here. All right, you ready? Look at that. It's good, guys. I'm telling you, you got to make this. On that note, I'm going to make my husband plate. I'm going to finish eating. And we'll talk to you guys on the next video. Thank you for visiting. Bye.